And back down to 40 again. And I caught this on the first spin. The $1.25. Give me a nice one. Come on. I'm ending on this. Whatever I have, I'm leaving with. Come on. Give me a good one. Jaw dropping. Let's go. Let me see some of them greens. Do it right here. Bang. Man, 420. Jeez. Maybe we're not ending on it. Let's see if we catch something here. Come on. Come on. Do it. Got it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm out after this. This is it. Holy moly. Come on. Drop that major. Drop that major. Boom. The way it's been going, I'm going to catch it. Watch this. Bang. Here we go. Always on the last spin. Clap. Let's go. Come on. Oh, there's one in there. Clap. Right here. Right here. Boom. Oh my. Oh my. Boom. It's alive. Come on. Clap. Here we go. I'll take it. I will take it. It's gonna put me over 100. I made some money. I need what, 82 and change, 81 and change. Boom, did it. Came in with 100, leaving with 128. I'm gonna do a 50-cent spin. Actually, we'll take this down to 125. Just see if anything claps here. Give me a quick clap, clap, clap. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. I made 25 bucks. I'm happy. And I got a lot of play. 100 in today, 125, 11 out. It's a good way to end the trip here at the, where are we? Not the Grand Canyon. Holy moly. Points Casino. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. All right, cool. Hoover Dam Casino. Points Casino. Thank you very much.